sometimes think it would be great to be a cool invertebrate. They always seem to have such fun, despite the lack of skeleton. Invertebrate is just a term for something like a snail or worm, or even an anemone. They have no backbone, do you see? They're animals though, just like us, the jellyfish and octopus. And even though they have no spine, invertebrates are just divine.
There are 6 types of invertebrates. Invertebrates are usually a small animal with no backbone because they don't need to stand up and have support in their back.
Mollets. These have soft bodies with one slimy foot. They often have shells.
Annelids. These have long bodies divided into segments. They have no joint legs.
Arthropods. 3 pairs of legs, often with long wings, 3 parts to the body.
Arachnids. 4 pairs of legs, 2 parts to the body.
Crustaceans. More than 8 legs and 4 antennas.